Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. Hey, how y'all doing? Hope you doing okay. I'm Axtuo. You already know. And now I have this 2005 Toyota, as you can see. 2005 Toyota Highlander, and I'm going to show you how to replace the valve cover gasket. All right. Before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Destroy the subscribe button. Know what I'm saying? Hit the like button and share this video. If you know anybody that has a Toyota Highlander, it doesn't matter the year. You know, the process is still the same basics. Know what I'm saying? And other than that, if you have anything in mind, the feedback, put in the comment box for me. I would appreciate that, and anybody that watched this video would appreciate it too. Share your knowledge, please. And yeah, I just want to say that always protect your eyes and hands. Okay, wear gloves and safety glasses, safety goggles. Okay, protect your eyes, like I said, protect your neck. Know what I'm saying? Also, I want to mention that if you're looking for a specific project in a specific vehicle, like let's say Toyota Camry, go to my channel, go to videos, and in the loop, in the search box, type Camry. Know what I'm saying? Press enter, and all the videos related to the Camry is gonna pop up, and then just select the one you're looking for. Know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hold you up no more before I get into this. Know what I'm saying? Do that for me, alright? Destroy the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Know what I'm saying? And share this video, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. If you know a better way to do it, anything you have in mind, like I say, put in the comment box for me. Alright. And after the video, I'm gonna give you a rundown of what I did. Know what I'm saying? And I hope you like it. Enjoy. Holla at your boy, Axtuo Buru. Hey. How you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. Hey, how y'all doing? I hope you like and enjoy the video. How to change, replace, remove, reinstall the valve cover gasket in the 2005 Toyota, as you can see, Toyota Highlander 3.3 V6. Alright. Well, let me give you a rundown of what I did. It was remove the cover of the engine, I'm saying the one on top, with a heads bit. You'll see it, three bolts for that cover. Remove that. Disconnect the spark plug coils. Remove the spark plug coils. You don't need to remove the spark plugs, by the way, okay? Then you'll see, like, I want to say like maybe 8-9 bolts that hold the valve cover. Use a 10mm socket to remove that. You have to clean the surface where the valve cover sits, okay? You have to clean all that, I'm saying. Oh yeah, 3 gaskets for the spark plug cylinder, if I can call it like that, and the gasket for the valve cover. Put some glue or gasket sealing in the corners and put the valve cover back, and that's it. Tighten it by hand, and that's pretty much it. Put everything back, and ta-da, you got it. That's how you replace a valve cover gasket. Thank you for watching. Okay, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, destroy, hit, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Don't forget to share this video. Maybe you know someone that has a Highlander. It doesn't matter the year, you know. The process, the basics, still the same. Give it to them. And anything you have in mind, put it in the comment box for me. I'm saying. Before I forget, if you're looking for a specific vehicle project, just go to my channel, go to my videos, type in the search box the specific vehicle you're looking for. Let's say Camry, type it, and all the videos related to that vehicle is going to pop up, and pick the one you're looking for. Alright, I'm not going to hold you up no more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to say it again. Alright, say it again. Hit the like button, subscribe, share the video, the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright, always wear safety goggles, safety glasses, and gloves. Alright, you don't want to get cancer in the future. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you up no more, and enjoy your day. I hope you like it, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Axtuo. Hey!